Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Focus Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, not the settings, the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option. So let's simply tap on it, and in this device we can choose between three options, so 720p, 1080p, which is currently applied, as you can see it is highlighted, and 4K. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 4K, and as you can see, after getting back to the camera, I can see that the icon changed slightly, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.